Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically stop from randoms from adding you on Discord. So if you're in a server, they cannot add you if you're just in the same server, and they can only add you if you, I guess, give them your username. So you're just going to basically select user settings here. Then you are going to go to, where is it? Can I not find, okay, friend requests. Sorry, I'm trying to find where's friend requests? Select that. So it says who can send you a friend request. I set it to everyone, but for instance, you only want it friends of friends. You're just going to disable these, and only friends of friends can add you. But if not, you can just turn off everything. So the only people who can send you a friend request is, I guess, people who have your username, or you can add them instead. That would be easier. But yeah, that's pretty much it. How you can stop from getting friend requests from randoms. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!